Hi, I'm Connie from Free Motion by the River, and today I just thought I'd do a short video and show you how I'm coming along on my February UFO project. Uh, for February, I picked the number that I drew was to make four little bags that I have from Sewers Club. So far, I have two done. This one done, Blossom Box, and this one, I can't remember what the name of it was. It's got snaps, little zipper inside. It is cute, very cute. They're both cute. This one opens up and it's all lined inside. So I have two of them done, and I have two more to do. So I still have Jade's drawstring bag, and then the harvest pouch. So hopefully I can get them both done. How are you doing on your UFOs? Did you pick one for February and you're working on it? Um, I finished these two quick projects this month, which this is my Pretty in Pink, and there is a pattern on my website for it called Misty is what it is. And then this one I just finished, and that is made with the mini Dresden ruler from Missouri Star Quilt Company. And I've had a lot of people email me saying they'd like a pattern, so I'm working on that. In the meantime, I received another box yesterday from Missouri Star Quilt Company. And this is going to be a project that I will work on, and I will share in February. So I received The Blooming Day and Night by Jason Yenter. It's 16 fat quarters in the beginning fabrics. They are beautiful. And this is what I picked out. I'm going to make a quilt using these. And then for the background fabric, I picked this, which is Tulip Pink's True Colors, and this is Fairy Dust White. So that's what I'm going to use for the background. Can't tell you what quilt I'm going to make yet, because I'm not 100% sure. This is beautiful fabric. Tulip Pink always has such neat stuff. You can see it. And I think the colors go very well with this. Pretty good. I think it'll work. So this, just open it up, take a look. Oh, those are pretty. Look at that. Oh, and they're all different. I wasn't sure. There's an orange. Another orange. Some cute flowers. This looks like it's the same print in just a lighter orange. Here's a yellow. I like that. Another yellow. So there's 14 fat quarters altogether. And we'll see how many I use. So there's 3 yellows. Greens. Green leaves. Like there's 2 greens. And there's a sky blue. Pretty. But this is another one. It's very pretty. Look at that. Deeper blue. There's really not a blue in this fabric. Well, there is. There's a little bit. But when I get it all made, it's going to coordinate just perfectly. Here is a darker royal blue. Purple. There are several purples. That. This one was like a purple pink. And then the last one is this. So that is the fabrics that I'll be working on. And then, you always get your little flat check. So this is mine for Happy Valentine's Day 2026. And then they also sent along a couple little goodies. This is the Nova Rags Snips. Those are always nice to have, cutting things. And then a little mini shears. I might have to put that with my embroidery because I like that. Speaking of which, where is it? Oh, here it is. I did receive an embroidery kit from Missouri Star Quilt Company, and as you can see, I haven't started yet, but I will. These are the colors, and this is called Sew in Love. I love the colors of the floss. And then I also got the embroidery stitch pack. And this, whenever you buy a stitch pack like this, you always get a nice little group of papers. They're actually plastic, but they show you how to do the different stitches, which is really nice. And then they have, showing you like here's one showing the design, and the design will be on one of these, and these are called peel and stick wash away sheets. Here they are. And with these, you just press it on your fabric, do your embroidery, and then wet it, wash it to take it off. So I need to get working on that too. So I've got plenty to keep me busy. So just wanted to share it with you, and I hope you'll come over to my blog. I've got a couple new blog posts on these, so come and visit me. Thank you very much.